Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to run Windows updates in Windows 7. Click the Start menu button. Click for Windows Update in the search box. Click on Windows Update link. The Windows Update window will open. To check for updates, click Check for Updates button. Wait for few minutes until a Windows file is necessary updates required for your PC. To install updates, click Install Updates. You need to wait for a few minutes until all the necessary are installed. Restart your computer if the changes to take effect. This is how we can run Windows updates in Windows 7.